Welcome back to Happy Homesteader. If you're raising baby chicks and getting ready to transition them to the coop, you need to make sure their new home is clean, safe, and most importantly, mite and pest-free. The last thing you want is for your little flock to move in and immediately start scratching and suffering from mites, lice, or other creepy crawlies. So today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process to prepare your coop the right way. Let's get into it. First things first, out with the old. If you've had chickens in the coop before, or it's just been sitting empty, there could be leftover bedding, droppings, or even hidden pests waiting to hitch a ride on your new chicks. Grab a shovel and completely clear out all the bedding, nesting material, and any debris. Trust me, this is the most important step. A clean coop is a healthy coop. Next, it's time for some good old scrubbing. Mix up a natural cleaner. White vinegar and water work great. Or if you want something stronger, you can use a diluted bleach solution. Scrub down every surface, including roosting bars, nesting boxes, and corners where mites love to hide. Rinse well and let everything dry completely before moving to the next step. Now let's add some all-natural pest defense. I like to sprinkle food-grade diatomaceous earth, DE, in the corners, on the floor, and inside nesting boxes. DE is amazing because it dehydrates and kills mites, lice, and other tiny pests without harming your chickens. You can also mix in some wood ash. Yep, straight from your fireplace. Chickens love to dust bathe in it, and it naturally repels mites. Double win. Good airflow is key to keeping pests away. Stagnant air and moisture create the perfect breeding ground for mites and bacteria. Make sure your coop has proper ventilation. Add extra vents or windows if needed. And if you live in a humid area, consider adding a small fan to keep air circulating. Now here's a little secret. Herbs aren't just for cooking. They're great for pest control too. Try scattering dried or fresh herbs like lavender, mint, rosemary, and thyme in the nesting boxes and around the coop. These herbs naturally repel mites and give the coop a fresh, clean smell. Bonus, your chickens will love pecking at them. Last but not least, before transitioning your chicks to their coop, set up fresh bedding. Pine shavings work great, and refill the waterers and feeders and do a final check. Make sure there are no damp spots, no funky smells, and everything is nice and dry. Now your coop is officially ready for your baby chicks. That's it, y'all. A pest-free coop means happy, healthy chickens, and taking these extra steps now will save you a ton of trouble down the road. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more homesteading tips. Let me know in the comments, what are your favorite tricks for keeping your coop mite-free? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.